Hello, our great students. How are you? I hope you are fine and everything is very, very good. Let's start with our big question, which is, what can we do to stay healthy? And today we have this answer. We can learn what's in our food. So today we're gonna learn what's in our food. As you know, we need to eat food and drink water every day to have energy, to grow, and to be healthy. Fresh food, of course, is the best, but foods that are made in factories contain unhealthy fat and sugar. If you eat lots of these foods, your body can get sick. Fruit and vegetables contain carbohydrates and fiber. Milk, meat, and eggs are high in protein. Vitamins are in our food too, but they are in small amounts and they help our body to stay healthy. B vitamins are useful for our brain. Now, let's train our brain by answering this quiz. Welcome to the Healthy Eating Quiz. What is the most important meal of the day? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? What do you think? Yes, great, it is breakfast. How many portions of fruit and vegetables should you have a day? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? What do you think? Yes, great, 5. How often should you exercise? Never. Once a day, once a week, once a month, or once a year? What do you think? Yes, great, once a day. How many teaspoons of sugar are in a 60-gram bar of chocolate? 1, 7, or 5 teaspoons? What do you think? Yes, great, 7. Great job, my dear students. Do you know what is the meaning of a quiz? As a noun, it means a test of knowledge, especially as a competition between individuals or teams as a form of entertainment. But as a verb, it means ask someone questions. So this is the meaning of a quiz. Now, what is the importance of quiz? Quizzes identify gaps in knowledge and highlight any areas that need more revision. Quizzes can motivate learners to stay focused and keep moving forward. In quizzes, we use open questions and multiple choice questions. The incorrect answers should not be too different from the correct answers. And in your class book, page 82, we have another quiz. Let's go and answer it. Are you ready? Look at these pictures. What do you think the quiz is about? Yes, great. It is about food. And which foods contain a lot of sugar? Yes, and what about salt? Which foods contain a lot of salt? Yes, very good. And now we have to listen to the quiz and answer the questions. So listen carefully, please, in order to answer the questions correctly.
Listening 112. Listen and read.
Healthy living quiz. Sugar. We need energy to run around and do our daily activities. Sugar is a source of energy. Healthy foods, like fruits and vegetables, naturally have some sugar in them. When food is made in factories, extra sugar is often added to make it taste good. We have to be careful about how much extra sugar we eat. Salt and fat. We need some salt and fat in our food. Fat gives us a different kind of energy and helps us grow and develop. Salt helps our body to send messages to different muscles. Many healthy foods, like meat and olives and nuts, contain some fat naturally. But junk food often contains too much salt and fat. Too much is bad for us. Test what you know and learn more about healthy choices. 1. How many spoonfuls of sugar are there in a banana? A. 6 spoonfuls. B. 1 spoonful. C. 3 spoonfuls. 2. How many spoonfuls of extra sugar should a child eat or drink in one day? A. 30 spoonfuls. B. 12 spoonfuls. C. 7 spoonfuls. 3. How many spoonfuls of extra sugar are in a 330 milliliter can of fizzy drink? A. 3 spoonfuls. B. 17 spoonfuls. C. 7 spoonfuls. 4. How many spoonfuls of extra sugar are in a donut? A. 8 spoonfuls. B. 6 spoonfuls. C. 2 spoonfuls. 5. Which one of these foods has the most fat per 100 grams? A. A donut. B. A pastry. C. Chicken nuggets. 6. Which one of these foods has the most salt per 100 grams? A. Pretzels. B. Pastries. C. Chicken nuggets.
Okay, as you can see here we have some information about sugar and salt and fat. Now, what do we need sugar for? What do you think? Yes, great. We need sugar for energy. Great. And what do we need salt for? Yes, salt helps our body to send messages to different muscles. Great. And what do we need fat for? Yes, fat helps us grow and develop. Great job. Now look at the questions here. Do you know the answers? Let's see, number 1. How many spoonfuls of sugar are there in a banana? 6, 1, or 3 spoonfuls? Yes, great, 3 spoonfuls. Number 2. How many spoonfuls of extra sugar should a child eat or drink in one day? Great job, 7 spoonfuls. And number 3, how many spoonfuls of extra sugar are in a 330 milliliter can of fizzy drink? Yes, great, 7 spoonfuls. Number 4, how many spoonfuls of extra sugar are in a donut? Do you think? Yes, great, 6 spoonfuls. Number 5, which one of these foods has the most fat per 100 gram? Yes, it is a pastry. Very good. 6, which one of these foods has the most salt per 100 gram? Yes, great job. Pretzels. Very good. Have you finished? Okay, great. Now, let's go to your activity book, page 64. Activity book, page 64. Look at the first question. Read the quiz on page 82 of your class book again. Find one fact about each of the foods. Tell your partner. Okay, look at here. We have a can of fizzy drink. Do you know a fact about it? Yes, great. It contains 7 spoonfuls of extra sugar. What about banana? Yes, great. It contains 3 spoonfuls of natural sugar. And olives? Yes, contain natural fat. Great job. Now look at question number 2. Answer the questions. What do we need sugar for? We need sugar for energy. Number 2. What kinds of foods have natural sugar? Do you remember what are they? Number 3. Why do factories sometimes add extra sugar? In order to what? Number 4. What do we need fat for? 5. What do we need salt for? And the last question, what kinds of food have fat in them naturally? Okay, check your answers, please. Number 2, fruit and vegetables have natural sugars. 3, factories add extra sugar to make food taste good. 4, fat helps us grow and develop. Number 5, salt helps our body to send messages to different muscles. And number 6, meat, olives, and nuts contain fats naturally. Well done. Now, question number 3 is a homework. You have to read the information and make 3 questions for the quiz. So here you have to make more questions. You have to make 3 questions for this quiz. So this is your homework for the next time. Please do it by yourself. And that's all for today, my dear students. Thanks for watching and listening. See you next time. Goodbye.